Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. 1.Python for AI. Why Python is the language of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is everywhere today, from smart voice assistants to self-driving cars and personalized video recommendations. But have you ever wondered what language powers all these smart technologies? In almost every case, the answer is Python. Today, we're exploring why Python became the ultimate language for artificial intelligence, and why it's perfect for beginners. At its core, Python is a simple, easy-to-read programming language. Think of it as a friendly bridge that connects complex mathematical concepts with practical computer code. Instead of spending months learning difficult syntax rules, programmers can translate AI ideas into working software faster than ever before. The first major reason Python dominates AI is its simple syntax. Python uses plain English commands. In many other languages, simple tasks require lines of complicated rules. Python keeps things clear and short, allowing developers to focus on solving difficult AI problems rather than fighting with coding rules. Building AI from scratch involves advanced math and neural network construction. Luckily, Python has a massive ecosystem of pre-built libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, 1.Py, and scikit-learn. These free tools act like ready-made building blocks, doing the heavy mathematical lifting for you automatically. Let's look at a real-world example. Engineers at Netflix rely heavily on Python and its machine learning libraries. Every time you open Netflix, Python algorithms analyze your viewing habits and automatically recommend movies and TV shows tailored specifically to your taste in real time. You might hear people say Python isn't the fastest language. That's true for raw speed, but Python has a secret superpower: flexibility. It seamlessly connects with ultra-fast languages like C, C++, and CUDA. Python acts as the friendly conductor, while underlying graphics processors run billions of matrix operations at lightning speed. Finally, Python has a massive, supportive global community. Millions of developers are constantly creating free tutorials, writing documentation, and updating open-source AI tools. If you run into a bug or need help building your first project, someone in the community has already solved it for you. To wrap it up, Python's clear syntax, pre-built AI libraries, seamless speed integration, and huge community make it the undisputed language of artificial intelligence. Whether you want to build the next recommendation system or just start your tech journey, Python is the best place to begin. Thanks for watching, and happy coding! Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.